Okay, welcome back again, guys. It is Tuesday, 5th of April, and remember, the deposit that I made on AWW is now matured and ready to be taken out. As you remember, I said I deposited 12k, and I locked it for 7 days. Now it is 16,699. Plus, of course, the daily clicks that I do here. So all of them total to 16,699k.77. So I want to withdraw it. That's why I did this video for you to see, and I'll be doing this every 7 days, and I will leave the initial deposit inside, so that will be generating me profits, and I will be withdrawing only profits. I don't take out the initial deposit until further notice. So this is the strategy that I talked about on the previous video. If you do not watch, just go on the description there. I'll leave a link. Follow that link and watch the whole video, 25 minutes. It will explain to you how you can safely invest with such programs. Okay, so before I do withdrawal, I would like to do more clicks quickly. Remember, if you don't have time to do this, you can just deposit your cash and lock it for a certain period. Then when it matures, you just come and withdraw it. Locking means there's nothing that you do. You just keep your money there and it works for you. Okay, and also you can do both. Like right now, I'm doing both. I want to take out also this for clicks. So all tasks have been completed. As you can see, today's order 14 out of 15. Then yesterday's earning was 2.46. Today's earning was 43 bob. And total I have 16k 743.17 cents. Now I want to take the profits out. Remember, I did a deposit of 12k. So 12 minus 16,746. 16,746 minus 12,000. So I want to draw 47.46. Now 47.46 minus 18% fee. So this is what I'm expecting, 38.91. So 18% is the withdrawal fee, and I've deducted, so I'm remaining with 38.91 and 72 cents. This is what I expect on my M-PESA. So 47.46, this is what we are going to take out. So let's go back to AWW, withdraw, then enter amount. What was it? It was 47.46. So 47.46. We hit withdraw. So we're being told that we're supposed to withdraw at 9 a.m. Okay, so I'll wait until 9 a.m. then I'll do another video, short video, which I'll merge with this to show you the progress. Okay guys, so this is the last part I'm showing you, the message that came after I just did a withdrawal. So this is the message. You remember we said it will be 38.91, and this is the math from Renac, okay, technologies. So you can see clearly this is the message 38.91. So I've done withdrawal and lock again the 12k as you've seen on the previous part. So let's continue doing this. Good luck to everyone.